How's everyone doing today? Well, I got a jump start on my seed order this year. I ordered the last 2 weeks of December as I knew there would be seed shortages this year with all the crap going on in the world. After I ordered last January, things got pretty crazy. Seed companies were running out of seeds. So I got my seed order early. Even when I was ordering this year from West Coast Seeds, the seeds were pretty hard to come by. Some of the package sizes that I wanted were basically sold out and on back order. So luckily I found what I wanted and we're gonna open them here. All right, so one of the things I ordered were 25 more seed starting trays because I'm hoping to start a whole bunch of seedlings and sell them. So I want to be prepared to get a whole bunch of those done. So that's the first thing I ordered. Pretty excited about that. And here are the seeds here. So I've got some Bloomsdale Savoy spinach this year. It grows really well. I've had this a few years in a row now. I really like that spinach. Got a bunch of different tomatoes here. So I got some Sunrise Bumblebee organic seeds, tomato seeds. There's no pictures, just the package. They look really cool. I think they were kind of like purplish red. Looked really awesome. Got some more Amish paste Romas. I never have luck with these. I'm going to try growing them in my greenhouse this year and hopefully get tons of tomatoes for canning this year because I like to can a whole bunch of tomatoes. So I have lots of tomato sauce and whatnot for the season. I got some early butternut squash. So I'm going to try to grow a lot of squash so that I can store a whole bunch over the winter so I don't have to buy anything from the grocery store. I got more spinach. This one is Monstru de Viroflay. Can't pronounce it, it's French. Done this one before. They're bigger leaves. They're great spinach. Grows really well too. Got a bunch of onions. I've got Calabria. They are a yellow onion. So I'll be doing those again this year. Or actually, first time trying these ones this year. I got red wing onions. I usually do these every year. These grow really well. They're a great storage onion. And I've always had great success with them from seed. Grow fairly big and store for all winter long. It's awesome. Some of my lettuce seeds I got some Fast and Furious blend. I usually buy this. It's just like a baby salad green mix. They grow within 35-40 days in a quick cut. You cut them up to 2 or 3 times depending on how warm it gets outside. Great little lettuce. I got some more romaine lettuce, Paris Island Co. This one grows really well here where I live. Grown it numerous years now, and they're nice big green heads, huge heads, and super nice fresh crisp green lettuce. This year I'm going to try some Goji Berries. Want to get some Goji Berry plants going. I've seen them around. I've tried fresh ones years ago, so we'll try these guys out and see how they are. These ones are the Shanghai Express. How many seeds are in this? 100 seeds, so I'm going to try a whole bunch and maybe give a few plants away to people that want to try some Goji Berries in their yard. I got a bunch more tomatoes here as well. This is another canning tomato. It's Posano. It sounds pretty interesting. High yielding, it says, and it's got lots of meat on it. So that's what you want for canning tomatoes, meaty tomatoes, less juicy. And then I'm going to do black Creme tomatoes again. Haven't done them for a few years, but they're a really nice tomato. They grow fairly large, nice juicy, got a nice flavor to them, great for sandwiches or just eating raw. Here's one that looked really interesting to me. Was a Sweet Million. Little cherry tomato. Looks like you had a whole bunch on a vine spot. So we're going to try this out this year and see how well they go. I've tried a few different cherry tomatoes over the years and some have been not so flavorful. So I'm hoping that this one has a nice sweet flavor to it and grows really well in my area. Here's one I've tried a few times. You only get 5 seeds in this small package. It's I think this is how you pronounce it. Futsu Black Early. I think it's a Japanese heirloom. It looks like a really interesting squash. So I'm going to try it out again. Hopefully it works this year. I've got some more butternut squash here. I'm trying lots of squash this year to try to get lots of stuff, like I said, for my storage and cold storage so that I can have food all winter long. So this is a Victory Butternut Squash. Here's another squash, Reno. I think this was, actually I forget what it looks like, but I might have to look it up again and check it out. But it looked like it was an interesting squash, so I'm going to try this one as well. This one I've tried this year for the first time. Delicata, I believe that's how it's pronounced. Super sweet, really good. It's kind of longer, skinnier squash. So I'm going to try this one out. And my friend Paul grew these as well this year, and he had a whole bunch on one vine. So we'll want to try those out and see how well they worked. Here's one I've been growing for years here. And this year they were okay. The weather was hit or miss for me. It was super hot, really dry, so things didn't grow as well as they should have. But the year before I had one plant, like literally it was bigger than this table here, and it produced so many. So scallopinis, I call them patty pans. A lot of people call them patty pans too. I find them in restaurants. So use in restaurants, really small. You can pan fry them with a little bit of butter, garlic, herbs. Super good tender squash. I like that one a lot. Tried some more pumpkins, jack of all trades. They're kind of like I think a sweet, no, not a sweet. They're more like a carving pumpkin, I believe. Carrots, I always do carrots. Carrots, people love the carrots around here that I grow. Super sweet, super good. I usually get the Nantes, Scarlet Nantes. No picture, so this package is full of seeds. How many seeds are in this one here? It says 20,995 seeds, so lots of carrots. I'll be doing a whole bunch of sowings of these, hopefully. And if I can figure out, I want to be able to store those as well in cold storage, so I can have carrots all winter long as well, and I don't have to buy any from the grocery store. Okay, so this was interesting for me this year. I saw some potato seeds. I've never seen potato seeds. These ones are called Clancy. They're like a small baby potato. So I'm going to try these guys out this year and see how they fare up. I'm not sure how it's going to work. There's 20 seeds. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research. I think you just plant it in your garden and it pops up. I'm not sure if you have to start these indoors and then transplant, so I'm gonna have to double check on that. But these look interesting. We'll see how they go. Now here's another blend that I grow every year. This one grows amazing. People love this one as well. But this is one of the ones they didn't have the bigger packages in, which I'm kind of bummed about. So I only had to buy the smaller package. The Super Gourmet blend from West Coast Seeds. I think it's got up to 5 different lettuces in it. Yeah, 5 popular green red leaf lettuces. And yeah, this one's a great little baby leaf lettuce too. You can get about 2 or 3 cuts out of it and they grow. You cut them when they're about this big and super nice. And here's one, my last package that I got from West Coast Seeds that I'm going to try this year. I hear it's really hard to grow, but I'm going to try it out anyways. It's celery. We'll see how it goes. I'm kind of, I don't need celery. I kind of dislike celery, but I know a lot of people that like it. So I will grow some this year and try it out and let you guys know my progress and how well it works. Definitely, I think you need to start these early and then transplant. So we will see how that goes. There you go, guys. That's actually my first order. I got a $50 gift card for Christmas, so I just put another order in yesterday for another like 10 packets of seeds. So maybe when they show up, I'll show you that in a different video as well. What are you guys growing this year? Let me know in the comments below where you guys order your seeds. I'm always looking for new places to order seeds and different seeds to order. And let me know what you plan on growing. It's super exciting. We're what, 4 months away from planting in the garden again. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Have a great day.